Hey, hi guys. I just got out here behind my yard and I heard all this noise, and I didn't know that they were gonna pick the sweet corn today. So I thought I'd bring you this footage. And I'd never seen sweet corn being harvested at close range. I drove by a lot of fields that they're picking sweet corn, but never really paid a lot of attention on the machine. And now is a chance to see it close up. So I rushed out here because it's right behind my mobile home. Each year we have a new different type of crop that we have behind my home. Soybeans, or it might be field corn, or in this case it's sweet corn. It's the first time I've ever seen sweet corn being harvested at this close of a range. I think it's quite interesting. And one year we seen them baling straw. And they're shooting bales up into the wagons. I thought that's pretty interesting. So we get a lot of different averages each year of showing the different ways of farming back here. So we get a great opportunity. So I thought I'd just share this with you guys. A lot of you never seen sweet corn being harvested, and this is a little different type of machine that makes that all happen. Now you're going to spin it around and I don't know if anybody else see this one, but now he's just feeding it right into the box as he's traveling. Pretty interesting. A lot of cobs coming off there. I did pull 6 cobs off before they harvested this. I'm gonna have those for supper tonight. They look pretty good. I think I'm entitled to at least 6 cobs. I didn't know it was sweet corn until I seen up the road earlier that they were harvesting the other end. And then all of a sudden I heard all this noise out here and I seen that they were right in my backyard. And he's got 1 roll left. Such a shame he's got to come back for 1 roll. I will be going to the Corn Fest tomorrow morning. Be doing that video if the weather permits and it don't rain, and show you guys what's going on over there. There's a lot of different events going on besides eating sweet corn. They got a parade they run, and they got breakfast in the morning. They got plenty of food to eat there. They got softball tournaments going on. They got volleyball. They got the Tri-County pullers going on with the tractors, the custom tractors. A lot of stuff going on there, so I'm going to cover that tomorrow. That video will be posted on Monday. So, this is it for this one here. So you guys like to see this, and if you like it, hit the like button. I know it's not much, but each year I come back to the yard here and try to get the harvest that they're doing, and you never know what they're going to plant back here. So I hope you guys like it. So we'll see you next time, folks, and please comment, and please hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and please share the video with others. I appreciate it on your Facebook or Twitter or any other source to get my channel built up here. I really appreciate it. So I know it's not much of a video, but at least you get an idea on how sweet corn is being harvested. And a lot of you guys probably know, but I was able to get a close-up of what it looks like. I was glad to bring it to you. So hope you enjoyed. So we'll see you next time, folks. Enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you, and God bless.